Welcome back to another video. We've talked about whether you can use swag packs in Kenya. So in this video we answered that question: is swag packs available in Kenya? And we saw that actually yes, you can use swag packs in Kenya, and there are some ways that you can use it to make money, including doing surveys. Now today we want to talk about InboxDollars. Considering I write most articles about making money online, through my research I always come across InboxDollars as one of the suggested ways to make money online in Kenya. Now the question is, do they actually accept Kenyans? And the answer is actually surprising, because if we try to go to InboxDollars, you'll see that it gives you an error that InboxDollars is not available in your region. Check your out our available partners. That includes Swagpacks, Polpay, now Ysense. Now I've tried these two, Ysense and Swagpacks, but don't click away yet. There's a way. If you really want to go to InboxDollars, there's a way that you can get that done. Today we look at what InboxDollars is. We look at how much you get paid, and then of course we'll talk about how to join InboxDollars in Kenya, and then of course how to withdraw, and of course if it's worth it. Of course that involves looking at pros and cons. So InboxDollars actually was founded in 2000 in the US. So essentially this is a place that connects the consumers and brands. So remember, brands need to know whether what they are bringing to the market will actually sell, and to do that, before they actually mass produce the products, they must test them, and they do that through surveys and all that. And the platforms that they are sourced to, is one of them is InboxDollars. Now there are a lot of ways that you can earn on InboxDollars. That includes surveys, games, shopping, videos, paid email, web searches. Now in Kenya, I don't think you can do that through shopping, unless you are using a VPN and you normally shop on places like Amazon, Walmart, Target, all that. But surveys pay around this amount. So this how much Kenya shilling? This is around 60 pop Kenya shilling, I think. Oh, actually it's 75, considering the dollar now is at 151. Yes, so they pay around between at least 70 Kenya shillings per survey. The games, you earn cashback for games played, and then you earn 18% cashback on GSN games. Now there's another one, shopping. So you get cashback on online purchases. The rates, actually the percentage of what you get back vary depending on the retailers. You can also be watching videos, so you earn between this amount. This is around 20 shillings, 15. My math is way off. That's 15 shillings to 15 to this amount for watching sponsored video content. So that's another way. And then paid emails. So here you sign up to receive promotional emails, and whenever you read one, you earn this amount of money. Now they have a program where they pay you to search the web. So maybe they give you a specific task, and then you are supposed to search maybe and review or anything else that they want you to do, but it involves searching the web, and you earn this 15 bob to, I guess this now 16 bob, any of that. On average you can make between $15 and $55. So $55, that's a lot of money, considering the work that you will be doing. That's 8,329 with the current exchange rate. So you earn between $15 and $55 per month on average. That can go up per month if you're active. Active means you're actively looking for surveys, you're actively using the web, you're actively playing the games, actively watching videos on that platform. So here is a table. Actually, I'll leave a link to this article because it's really in depth. I did my research well, and I include everything. So here is a table showing the earnings. So for surveys, these the much you earn. For games, that. For shopping, videos, paid, all that. So it actually summarizes what we've talked about here. Now the question is, how do you join swap or InboxDollars in Kenya? Now, of course, we say that it's not available in Kenya. Yeah, you can't just go there and sign up. The reason they block you, the reason why they do that is because, of course, they're reading that, okay, the IP this guy is using, the IP from this browser looks like it's from Kenya. So you block them. Yeah, so they don't accept us. And the reason could be that the reason why they don't accept Kenyans is because they don't have don't have maybe brands from Kenya on their platform. Because why else could they be, just blocking us not to join their platform? It's because they don't have our brands yet. If you could find brands like Safaricom inside there, or Jumia contracting them, they would start looking for us. The only thing actually the only way you can access is through, there are two ways: using a VPN, and there are some what you call the survey router sites. So a VPN masks your real location. So with a VPN, I'll show you in a minute. You can pretend you're in the US, and then you go and they won't detect that. Or you can use a router site. So a router site like Octopus's Grinderback or Price may contain, so mark my words, may contain InboxDollars surveys. So these sites, these are the sites that you can access in Kenya. So when you go to these sites, they may contain surveys from InboxDollars, and you can earn cash on the surveys router site instead. Yeah, so let's try and see. So now, as you can see, it's saying it's blocking me, I can't sign up. So let me turn on my VPN. So I have a very generic VPN here. It's called Hawks. So now it says I'm in the US. As you can see, it says connected, and remaining time is 30 minutes. That's because this is free. Now let me refresh and see what happens. Yes, as you can see, there's no error. Yes, let me refresh out again for the second time. Yes, so it means now I can sign up and do anything and start earning. As you can see, also there is the $5 bonus. Yeah, $5 bonus. So of course the Google search also is detecting that I'm in the US. That's why it's giving me a euro exchange. Yes, so you just tick that box and then either continue to your Google account or use an email, and just like that you can now start earning. So how does it work? So brand pays InboxDollars for consumer input, and then the InboxDollars recruit members like you, and you do online activities and you earn real cash, not points. So remember, Swagbucks gives you points, and then you can redeem those points for real cash. But with InboxDollars, you're getting real cash, instead of points. Yeah, so it's just like that. And we've already looked at how much they pay you. So I'll leave a link in the description for this article. Now, is InboxDollars worth it? Yeah, is it worth actually turning on your VPN? So let me turn off mine. So is it even worth that? The pros. So there is large selection of earning activities. Remember, we've looked at the games, surveys, emails, videos, shopping, web search. So yes, you have a whole pool of things you can do to earn online. Another thing is the low payout or cash out is minimum. So $30, you have to attain $30 before you withdraw the money. Yeah, The other thing is there is fast delivery of gift cards reward. So if you want gift cards, they deliver fast. And like, although I haven't, I'm yet to test this platform. With Swagbucks, it takes at least 3 business days actually for the reward to come. Another thing is, there's a typo here. It should be established legitimate site. So unlike all of these other sites that come and go, or popping up left and right, InboxDollars has been around, as we said earlier. It was started like 2000. Yeah. Now the cons: it's not available for direct sign up in Kenya. That's a con. We can't sign up as Kenyans directly, and then also we must use VPNs, which could lead to pan. Yeah, so that's another risk. If they get you, or if they detect that you're using a VPN to access their site, they might pan your account. Now imagine if you get blocked and you had, say, like, you're almost reaching your $30, you have wasted your time. Another thing is you have limited access to full earning options, yeah, and then there is no direct cash out method to Kenya, so that means there is no M-Pesa. Now that reminds me, how do you withdraw your cash from InboxDollars? So they have 3 methods. There is the PayPal, gift cards, and checks. So checks, these are the ones I think they sent to your email. Yeah, they sent to your mail, sorry. The gift cards, you can redeem your cash. You can buy these gift cards and then go and redeem them in platforms like Amazon, for books, Kindle, and all those. And then for PayPal, you transfer your cash to PayPal. So once you've reached $30, you can transfer them to PayPal. And then from PayPal now, you can move them to your M-Pesa. So that's it, guys. To answer your question, no, InboxDollars is not available in Kenya. And if you want to access it, you'd rather, maybe get a step of VPN. And is it really worth it? I wouldn't actually waste my time with something that's blocked from me, because it means you can't fool the platform forever. And if they catch you, and not even if, when they catch you, they will block your account, and you would have wasted your time. Instead, focus on legit things like affiliate marketing, online trading, blogging, and all that stuff. So if you have any question, let me know in the comments. And of course, there is a link to an in-depth review in the description of this video. Bye, till next time.
Believing got a taste for blood, and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit so sharp.